Hello everyone and welcome back to English with Flo. We are very happy to have you here today.
Hi everyone! We hope you are doing great. Today's lesson is very useful for real life.
Today we are talking about job interviews.
Yes, many people feel nervous in an interview.
But don't worry, we will help you speak with confidence.
We will use simple English so you can understand easily.
Emma, what is the most common question in a job interview?
The most common question is, "Tell me about yourself."
Yes, everyone hears this question.
But many people don't know how to answer.
Let's make it simple. You can follow 3 steps.
Step 1. Your name. Step 2. Your background. Step 3. Your goal.
Emma, can you give an example?
Sure. Hello. My name is Emma. I am a graphic designer. I have 2 years of experience. I enjoy creating designs and learning new skills.
That is clear and simple. Now, let's talk about experience.
You can say, I worked at a company. I helped customers. I learned many skills.
Simple sentences are enough. What skills can we say?
You can say, I am good at communication. I work well in a team. I am a fast learner.
Now, let's talk about goals.
This is very important. You can say, I want to grow in my career. I want to learn more. I want to help the company.
Let's do a full example.
Okay.
Tell me about yourself.
Hello, my name is Emma. I am a designer. I have experience in web design. I enjoy learning new things. I want to grow in my career.
Perfect answer. What mistakes should we avoid?
Don't speak too fast. Don't use very hard words. Don't talk too long.
Confidence is very important.
Smile and speak clearly. Practice every day.
Now repeat after us.
Hello, my name is Emma. I am a designer. I have experience. I want to grow.
Great job today. You learned how to speak in an interview.
Keep practicing every day.
And don't forget, subscribe for more English lessons.
See you in the next video. Goodbye.
Goodbye.